Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up the Facebook pixel on your website. First off, you need to make sure you have a business page set up in Facebook for your company. If you don't, you need to do that first. Then you need to go to your business manager, which is business.facebook.com. Once you're into the business manager, it will show you all the businesses that you have associated with your name. So you click on the one that you want to set up the Facebook pixel for. It's loading the business manager. Then you will see all the pages and any ad accounts associated with that business page. Then if you click up on the left hand side, Business Manager, then go over to the third column, down to Events Manager, and you want pixels. Here it will show you any pixels that you've set up for that business. I have one here I set up yesterday. I'll show you a new one, so I'll do a new test. So if you click on Add New Data Source, Facebook Pixel. Now you name it what you want to name it. If it's a landing page, you could name it the landing page. If it's your full website, put your website in there. I'm going to call it AirTats Test Pixel. Click Continue. Then you want to click the middle box, manually add pixel code to website. Then you'll be given some code to copy. So copy that to your clipboard. Then it's advising you that you need to go to the header section of your website to install this code. So if you open up your website, I've got mine here, and you want to go to the settings of your website and find the head section. Now, depending who hosts your website and how it's set up, it will be different for everybody. If you don't know how to do it, you can always go to your website developer, just send him the code and ask him to put it on the head section for you. It will literally take him 2 minutes. Click on the head section, leave a couple of spaces, and then paste that code in. Click Save. The code is corrected and saved. So that's all good. So we can log out of there. Go back to Facebook. You can put your website in there and send test traffic if you want to test it. Or you can click Continue. Now, Facebook is asking you if you want to set up an event setup tool, which is really good. So you can track conversions on your page. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you click on that, put in the website that you want, that you've just put your code on. So we'll copy that, paste it in there, click Open Website. Now it's going to ask us what we want to track on this page. So what we'll say is we want to know when people click one of these buttons. So we will click the parties button. Now, as they're all called the same, it's going to track all three. You would have to name the buttons differently. And we will call that a lead. So every time somebody clicks the button, we know they're interested in parties. So that's classed as a lead to us. Or if you had a form on your site that you wanted somebody to fill in, or a lead magnet, you would put it on that button. But this page is just an information page. So this is just for example purposes. So that is now set up. So Facebook knows now when somebody clicks one of these three buttons, it's going to class it as a lead. So we will click Finish Setup. And you can add as many of these on your page as you like. Click Finish. Event setup complete. And that's it, really. Now, if you need help, once you've set that pixel code up, you will then going to need to set up retargeting ads, create audiences based on the people who visited your website. If you want help with that, just get in touch and we can discuss it further. Thank you.